but I'ma show it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it out. So shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go all the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿.
It's a time of the day when chocolate craving strikes. You don't have patience and just need a single serving of a quick recipe with a few amount of ingredients. This microwave healthy mug brownie is the perfect solution for that sudden onset of craving, and they only cook for a minute. A vegan mug brownie and a gluten-free mug brownie are placed side by side for comparison. These two delicious chocolatey goodness goes perfectly with a homemade iced coffee, like a kiss and a hug. The ingredients for our vegan mug brownie are the following. The ingredients today will also be placed in the description below. 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons Muscovado, 4 tablespoons cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, 6 tablespoons soya milk, 4 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. You can add additional chocolate chips for a more fudgy brownie. In a bowl, place in the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, muscovado, baking powder and salt. Mix, then place in the wet ingredients, the soya milk, coconut oil and vanilla. Mix until a dough-like texture is formed. Then add in the chocolate chips, leaving a few for the toppings. Prepare a large mug or small microwave-safe bowl and grease the inside with coconut oil. Then pour in the mixture. Finally, top it off with the rest of the chocolate chips. Place the container or mug into a microwave oven at high and set the timer to a minute. When done, take it out of the oven to cool down. Meanwhile, the ingredients of the gluten-free mug brownie is similar to the first vegan mug brownie, but instead swap the all-purpose flour and replace it with oatmeal flour. In a bowl, add in the dry ingredients, the oatmeal flour, Muscovado, baking powder, pink salt, and cocoa powder. Mix. Then add in the wet ingredients, the soya milk, vanilla, and coconut oil. Mix till all are combined. Then add in a few chocolate chips. Mix. Then pour into a greased microwave-safe bowl. And top it off with a few more chocolate chips. Set the microwave oven to the same settings, and when done cooking, take the bowl out and let the mug brownie cool down. Sometimes the best things in life does not take a whole lot of effort. These two healthy mug brownies just came together in a snap. Both utterly delicious, chocolatey, and everything you want from a chocolate brownie. Indulge with a single serving of heaven with your own homemade iced coffee. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new video. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!